Hey, hello. Do a little video on this new to me New England Clock Company wall clock. It's let me see, about 8 by 18 by 52, and I think it's made of oak. I'm not really sure about that. And picked it up a short while ago. Had to do some work on it, but it runs very, very nicely. I think this was made in the 1980s or 1990s, so it's really not very old. And obviously it strikes on a gong. It strikes on the half hour, and then on the hour it counts out the hours with a gong strike. The New England Clock Company was kind of known for having their dials very flowery. I'll call that. They that's kind of what they were known for. But obviously this one here has a plain, more traditional clock dial. So weight driven, and I think it's made of oak. About 52 inches long, and well, that's about all I know about it. So that's it. If you have any information about this clock, would you be able to leave it in the comment section? If I find out what movement it is, I'll also leave that in the comment section. So, all right. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.